Okay, welcome to all. Next session, I'm going to take how to convert a selection to path. Then paths to you can convert these paths to objects. I'm mainly going to take these areas, so you can also create custom objects from that. Let's see how we can create that. Okay, first, what I am going to do this, I'm just taking this magic wand tool. I'm clicking on here. So empty layer panel I clicked, I am removing this. Okay, sorry for that. So now it is a background layer. Control D to deselect and click here. So now only the black part is selected. What I am going to do? Select inverse. Now inverse is selected. Now what I am going to do is window paths. Paths is already opened. Okay, this is opened here. So I'm going to save the path. Now you can see the path layer is saved. Okay, so now what I am going to do here, edit, define the custom shape. So, okay. So now I'm coming here and just drag and drop. You can see the custom shape is created from path. Again, I will flow, I will do again. I'm deleting this. It should not be confused for you. Okay, then what I am going to do, paths, I am going to deleted. So magic wand tool, I selected here. So the black area is selected. Select inverse. That means the leaf is selected. Now leaf is properly selected. Now I am through the paths panel. This button. That is I am saving the path. Now I am going image. Sorry, edit, define, custom shape. Now I am saying leaf. Okay. So now leaf is one custom shape. Now I am coming here and just drag and drop it. So now you can see one custom shape is created. So now I am going to another one. Okay, so I'm using through the pen tool. I'm selecting here. Okay, now I selected. I'm going path. I'm saving the path. I go here, edit, define, custom shape. Okay, so you can see one shape here. To come here, you can just drag and drop that shape. Same way, I have created a lot of rocket. I'm not clearly done. You need to use a pen tool, uh, convert tool. Then you need to do a proper things that I explained in the last class. How can you able to convert these lines and perfectly align this lines and everything I have explained in the last class. But now you can think about you can do this easily. Then once it is completed, I am not done perfectly. Once it is completed, you save the path. Then from here you just edit custom shape. So now you can see the custom shape. You can change the name as rocket. Now rocket is here. You perfectly can create the rocket. Then you can just drag and drop it here. So you get a this is not correct. You can same way Apple. I am not created the Apple also. I created the outer layer, but you need to make it this stem also. Then here also what you need to do, you save the path, then define custom shapes. So you can create, uh, we can say apple. It's not correct, but you got almost shape. Then you can new file, you here create, you can just drag and drop. So you get the custom shape. Again, you can, if you want, you can again, you can selection tool, the direct selection tool, you can edit it, you can add it. Okay, then another shape, this tool, you can do enough modification on that. Okay, so from the paths, you can able to do that. Okay, next, what I am going to do with See, I'm using again pen tool. I'm drawing something. Okay, I'm drawing here. Now I'm saving this path. Again, I am doing with convert to edit, define a custom shape. So you can able to create, just drag and drop it. This would be there. I think same thing you can do with your shapes also. Already I explained. And if you want, you can convert this. Again, select the direct selection tool. Make the more modification on this. And again, I am using this convert tool. I'm converting again. I'm planning to do a different shape. I'm moving this. Can I come in here? Anyway, this is okay. Now I am planning to convert. Now this is path 1, this is path 2. Okay, this one I'm going to save again. Path 3. So now edit. Yeah, then I'm nothing that is not saved. Define a custom path. No, it is not showing us some bug is there. It is not displaying properly. Just drag and drop. You can see you can create from pen tool, you can convert as a path, then path you can also use for that. Anyway, shapes you are explained very well earlier also. You can create any shapes and shape you can merge it and merge shapes you can do whatever you want. And any shape you can convert it and so if I want to like this one shape, you can do that. Again, select, go here, then you can edit, you can define a shape. Shape is already. So multiple ways you can create this, and I have explained you can create from path, your pen tool, you can create from selection. So you can multiple ways you can define the shapes. Thank you for watching. Please do the exercise on this.